It's the 15th of March 2023.
Ketturin asuntosykeyhtiö Ketturin.
So this is Kettutie vägen Forstånds i Herttoniemi Herttoniemi. Yes, it has 4 sources in Finland. With this light switch doesn't work. Is it strange?
Yeah. Yeah, it's best work.
It looks already downstairs.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Oh, it has hampers. That's
Yeah.
really interesting. It was built in 1956, when I was in 1992, and it has 60 stops.
Yeah.
Floor P, the graph for the lowest one is here. And the uppermost must be floor U, the attic floor. And this one. This number here is H6367 and was inspected on the 29th of October 1992. So it was finished. The amortization was finished in October 92.
Yeah.
It's the original metal plate still. Oh, it's 55. So late 55 is 1956.
Yeah.
We inspected in the next year 2024.
Yeah.
Very interesting. I don't think this side was used before. These stores were added later in 1992, actually.
Yeah.
Strange, but very interesting.
Yeah, inspected by maintained by Kone.
I'll do this side.
Yeah. It turned 65 years old in 2020 to 21. And the stage turned 30 years old in last year, 2022. And it looks like 4-1 was also like added later. Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we get to take this video. This is really interesting and unusual.
Yeah. That's